In this video, I will show you how to use the GoHighLevel website builder. So I'll go over everything you need to know on how to build funnels and websites using GoHighLevel. So GoHighLevel has a surprisingly good website builder, and whether you want to create a website for yourself, for a client, for whoever you want to create this website, here is how you can do this. Now to do this we are going to be using templates, and they have a great amount of templates for a great amount of different niches. So for example, if you want to create a website for a real estate client or for your own real estate business, then they have some great templates for that. If you want to do it for a car dealership, then they also have great templates. So I'll just show you how you can do this, how you can basically edit the website to your liking and cover everything you need to know. So the first thing is of course to go in and create your GoHighLevel account. If you haven't done this yet, I do have a special deal where you can get a 30-day free trial. So if you want to claim that extended 30-day free trial, you can use the link down in the description to sign up. Then after creating your account, you will get to your agency dashboard, and from here you want to click sub account. So I've just set up this sub account, but you want to click add sub account, and then here you can just choose a blank snapshot, or if any of these apply to you, for example real estate agent, then you can also choose that one, and then you will get custom websites for that actual, for example car detailing business. However, if you just set up a blank snapshot, which is what I did with this one, I'll just switch over to this sub account, which is what you want to do as well, because then we can actually start creating the website. So here I am now in the sub account of this real estate business, and I'm gonna be creating a real estate website using GoHighLevel in this example. Now these are also great websites to actually sell if you want, and you can for example charge a monthly retainer to set up a sub account for them where they can also use all of its other features right here. Now here you have funnels and websites. Now what we are going to do is click website since we want to create a website. However, you can also do a funnel. Now in the top right, click on new website, and now I recommend starting from a template. They have over 1000 templates. So click from templates, click continue, and then here just find the category that you are in. So if you click show more, you will see all of them right here. And again, in this example, I'm going to be doing a real estate business. So I'll just choose real estate right here. And you can see even for only real estate, they already have a bunch of different templates right here. So just find one that you like. You can preview them by hovering over them with your mouse and clicking on the eye icon right there. So for example, I kind of like the way this one looks. So I'll preview this. And this is for example for real estate photography. And let's say that that's not what I'm doing here. Now, of course, you can just edit it if you want, but for example, if I am doing property supervision, then I can select this one. So let's preview this. Okay, so the background picture doesn't look very good, but of course I'll show you how you can change all of that. So let's say that I would like to use this one. Then I can click continue in the top right, and now it will be adding this template and creating the website for you. So then it will take you directly into the GoHighLevel website editor, which is basically just a simple drag and drop editor. Now the very first thing that I always recommend you do is to just go and pop in your own logo. So click on the logo right there, and then here it will open up the navigation menu. Now when you scroll down a little bit right here, you will see the brand logo configuration right here, and you can choose to add or not add the logo in the menu. I like to add it just to have a little bit more branding. And now here you can simply go and upload your own brand logo by clicking on the picture icon right here, and then here you can go and click upload file in the top right, and I'll just upload an example picture right here. So I'll just upload one of my thumbnails. So if I click open, it will then show up right here in my folder, and I can then click on it, and I can then double click on this, and then you will see that that will now be my logo. Now you can also change the sections that you even want right here. For example, if you don't want to have a contact section or an about us section, then you can simply remove that by clicking again on the navigation menu, and then here you have the menu items. So for example, if I don't want an about us section, what I can do is click on it and then click on delete. Then if you click OK, you will see that it is now deleted. Now you can also add in items right here. So then you can add a title, and then go to website URL or go to page. So then you want to go ahead and create a new page for this specific menu item. So I'll show you how you can do that as well later in this video. Now first we are just going to edit the main colors and the main look of this website. So if you're doing this for a client, for example, what I recommend you do is go to their existing website, because most people already have a website. See what kind of colors they are using, because usually that will be their brand colors. So let's say this one uses pink, then I can click right here on this background color. Then here currently it's set to brown, but I can just pick pink right here, or I can choose add in a custom color if you click right there. Now for this example, I'm just gonna be using this bluish color. Now here you have this background image. If you want to remove this, what you can do is click on the current image and then it will open up that background image. And then here you will see background media, so BG media. Now if you click again on the upload icon right there, so the picture icon, you can either create an image using AI, so I'll show you how you can do this. So for example, suburban house with garage. Now you can choose an image style, so for example photo, and then you can click generate. And then it will create a picture like that for you. So let's use this one on the website, click on continue, and now it has been successfully added. So now if you go back here, you will see it's not currently updated. So you want to go back to the background media. Then here go to content AI and open up this folder, and then you will see the file right here. So then double click on it, and now you will see that the background will be arranged to this. Now you can see it is being stretched out right now. So if you don't want that, then you can change that right here as well. So you have the image options, so fill 100% width and height. So you can also set it to, for example, fill 100% width, and then you will see it will not be stretched out. So now you will see that you can actually kind of scroll through this image. So for example, I like it like this. However, the text is not very readable anymore. So what we're going to do now is click on the text, and I also want to have a bit of a thicker font. So what I'm gonna do is again click on the text, then here in the font weight, I'm just gonna increase the weight. For example, semi-bold, you can see it's a lot bolder now. However, you can also just choose a different font if you want. Now I'm gonna choose a different color as well for this text. So click on color here, and I'm gonna make it white. So for example, to make it more visible, you can add a shadow to the background so that it becomes more readable. Now you can also increase the size, so if you go to font size here, you can increase the size of it, so now it's even better. And now this piece of text, for example, if I want to remove that, I can simply go ahead and click on delete. Whether you're creating this website for yourself or for your client, is just go ahead and populate this website with the correct text. So for example, if they don't do property management but they sell properties, for example, then you want to click on that. And then here at the top you can actually preview mobile and desktop, and if you click home right here, you can actually go to all the different pages. So before switching a page, go and click save in the top right, then click save, and now here go and click on the pages that you have. And for example, I will go into the thank you page right here, and you would just want to go through every single page, but now here you will see the thank you page. And if you click book your appointment, you can see the actual page that leads to. So the website page is schedule a call. So then if you click on the pages here, you will also see the schedule a call page right there. And again, you can just go and edit all of this. But what you can also do if you are selling this website is that you can sell the template. So for example, if you are just offering this template to businesses that do property management, it's very easy for them to just edit this website themselves, because all they need to do is enter their own email, phone, address, their own logo and social media accounts, and answer these questions right here. Now if you do want to have a little bit more done for you service, then you can go and edit it as well and just discuss with your client kind of what they want, what colors they want, and just take a look at their current website and then just go and add these services that they already offer and stuff like that. So it's a really easy website editor. Now what you can also do is here go to settings, and then what I recommend is to track this website. So you can, for example, if you are running Facebook ads, then you can add in a Facebook pixel or meta pixel, or you can add in a TikTok pixel. So if you want to do that, that's also possible right here. Then in the stats section, you can see the amount of page views, opt-ins, sales, earnings, and page views that you currently have. So now if you want to add in more pages, for example, the services page is not here anymore. So if you want to add in that page, you can click add new page right here. Then just, for example, name it services, and then go and click create new page, and then you can also edit that page. So the GoHighLevel website builder is pretty easy to use. It will usually take a couple of hours to actually build out the entire website, but if you're getting paid, for example, $500 to $1,000 upfront, then that's probably worth it. And then you can also charge a monthly retainer for any edits that they want to have done, if it is for your client, or just for the hosting of the website, for example. And if you want to add a custom URL to this website, then that's also possible. If you head over into the settings section, here you have the domain. So if you click select a domain, you will see I don't have any yet, but you can click add, edit domain. domains right here. And then here you can add in a domain. So then you can just connect a domain and choose that domain for the website. So now you know how to basically create the website using a template, how you can edit the template by changing the colors, changing the sections, adding in new pages, and basically how you can use the GoHighLevel website builder. So if this GoHighLevel website builder tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. Again, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel for free for 30 days, usually they offer 14 days, then you can sign up using the link down in the description. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.